Hey everyone, it's John. Hey, I'm on my news desk this morning. I'm on my prop trading desk. Altcoin season has started. Bitcoin's pumping. A lot of great news. Do me a favor, give me a video, like and a share, and please sub to my channel. Appreciate it. So, top stories. I got my hood on because of Robin Hood is doing great today. So, not investment advice. Let's see. Top stories. Reuters is reporting Ukraine hits Russia with U.S. missiles for the first time on war's 1000th day. Fox Business, Kevin O'Leary voices support for Musk and for Dogecoin. Let's see, CNN is reporting Putin fine-tunes Russia's nuclear doctrine after Biden's arms decision. And Fox News is reporting also Pennsylvania Dem Governor Josh Shapiro sides with state Supreme Court ruling. And then also the Weather Channel is talking about a Pacific BOMB cyclone ushering in strong atmospheric river to the west, so California again. So that's on geopolitical news. So then I look at socioeconomic news. Stock market's going to open up here in about 5 minutes. So let's look at bar chart. So I go over geopolitical news first, then socioeconomic. Stay with me to the end. You receive a bonus, which is my trading and speculation plan. S&P futures are off. Crude oil's off a bit. Gold is up, up $20 at $26.35. Stock index futures slip on worries over Russia-Ukraine escalation. U.S. housing data and Walmart earnings on tap. So we got Walmart. G20 summit calls for more aid to Gaza and end to the war in Ukraine. Stock market today, Wall Street points towards more losses as big U.S. retailers report latest results. Walmart. Volunteers come back to nonprofits in 2023 after the PANDEMIC lockdowns tanked participation. Super microcomputer stock, news on it. They got a new auditor. Let's see, should you buy, sell, or sell, Tesla stock shares? And look, talking about Perella Weinberg, undiscovered investment banking gem. So interesting. Let's go over major market overview. S&P Mini futures off 41 points. NASDAQ 100 E-mini off 132 points. The Dow Jones futures are off 407 points. The VIX is up at 16.750. I had squared off most of my S&P 500 ETF position the other day because the stock market's not looking right. It wasn't getting the follow through, and stocks have gone up a lot, and so I can always revisit it. Not investment advice. 10-year 109. Spot 300-300, crude oil at $69. Nat gas at $3.17. Gold again up $20. Silver's up at 31.35. Market leaders act. I own stock shares in most of these companies. Tesla, MicroStrategy's up. NVIDIA, super microcomputer pumps on getting new auditor. I own Coinbase. I own Walmart. Palantir shares are off about 7%. Amazon's active. Duke Energy. And then Bkkt Holdings. I own stock shares in it. It's up 162%. I own a small amount in one of my blockchain ETFs. Apparently, Truth Social or DJT took an interest in purchasing shares or acquiring Bakkt holdings. So this is what's going on bar chart. Stay with me to the end. Like I said, you receive a bonus. Now let's look at what's being reported on Yahoo Finance. Wall Street isn't banking on AI, artificial intelligence, to lift stocks anymore. AI isn't the key reason that strategists see bull market rally reaching new highs. Stocks retreat on Russian nuclear wars. Worries shakes markets. Ukraine carries out first strike with U.S. missiles in Russia. Walmart lifts guidance after earnings and revenue beat. Trump's pick for the top cop sues Wall Street nerves. There's news on Tesla. Supermicro again, Supermicro computer surges as company files plan to avoid delisting, and new auditor. NVIDIA options prime for $300 billion post-earnings price swing. Goldman sees S&P hitting 6,500 by year end. Lowe's beats estimates, but downbeat sales outweigh sales. So this is the news being reported on Yahoo Finance. U.S. single-family housing starts tumble in October. Trump plans to watch SpaceX launch in Texas. Microsoft launches 2 data center infrastructure chips to speed AI applications. Nestle's plays down RFK Jr.'s anti-packaged food rhetoric. Said, let's see, Robinhood. I like Robinhood. See, I got my hoodie on. Robinhood to acquire trade PMR for $300 million to boost advisory business. So this is the news, being reported on Yahoo Finance. Let's see, top gainers: Aurora Innovations, DJT is up on news of acquiring Bkkt. It's a cryptocurrency company. Supermicro's active. Mara Holdings has been active. JetBlue has been active. Very active stocks in NVIDIA, Supermicro Computer, Tesla, Palantir, and Mara Holdings. So Walmart's trending, Lowe's is trending, DJT, Trump Media is trending, and now Supermicro Computer is trending also. So let's look at my trading plan. Today, of course, is Tuesday, November 19th, 2024. So exciting times. We got to get ready now for the inauguration. Only about 50 days or so until the inauguration. So Bitcoin. So here's my trading plan. I dollar cost average Bitcoin every day. Dollar cost average SPY ETF, but I squared off most of my position a few days ago because here it is in pre-market. My position now is off 1.25% on SPY ETF. I was up like 3% and then it rolled over, becoming flat, so I flatted out. So I will purchase the Bitcoin ETF or the S&P 500 ETF. They own NVIDIA, Apple Computer, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta Platforms. Google's great. Tesla, Berkshire Hathaway, Alphabet C, Alphabet A, and Broadcom. Those are the largest holdings, but the 52-week high is 600.17. If it trades, at a new all-time high at 600.18, then I'll start really purchasing the breakout again. It's never too high to buy. So I flatted out on it. I'll continue to dollar cost average the S&P 500 ETF today, but I do have, I've got mostly liquid on it because I don't like when I have a winning position rolling over and becoming a losing position. So I'll revisit that. So Bitcoin, let's look at crypto. I have a dollar cost average yesterday where I purchased on a recurring investment on Bitcoin at 91,250 spot 90. And then this morning, Bitcoin was at 92,764 spot 57. So that's well over 1,000 points on my dollar cost average just in the last day. So I'll continue to dollar cost average Bitcoin today, increasing my recurring investment amount. And here's the thing, if you look at on bar chart, Bitcoin's trend indicator went from positive 88% to positive 100%. So now it's a 100% strong purchase. So Bitcoin's trend is up. Bitcoin wants to be purchased. So, on my Bitcoin Momo swing account, my cost basis is 83,879 spot 96. And it was as high today again in price at 92,764 spot 57. So, it's a nice 10,000 point profit again, up 10% just in my Momo swing account. So again, Bitcoin running a little longer today, getting into the groove here. So it's exciting times too. But stock market's just opened. Okay, let's see. So my synthetic Bitcoin mining rig, again, comprised of two components. I dollar cost average Bitcoin every day, and then I purchase the blockchain ETFs. So that's BKCH, the Global X blockchain ETF. Now I'm off about 2.25% in it, so I'm not going to continue to chase it until it becomes profitable again. So I will dollar cost average BKCH though, but once a week. And then Block, BLOK, the Amplify Transformational Data Sharing ETF. That's profitable for me. I'm up about 4.5% on it. So I'll continue to purchase Block, BLOK, once a week and dollar cost average it. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. Informational purposes only. I'm an entertainer. Read my risk disclosures below if you have to. So here's the thing. I like this Amplify data sharing ETF. One of the holdings is that Bkkt was up this morning like 160%. Very small ownership in it, but I still have a position in that. So that's my trading plan for today. Again, dollar cost average Bitcoin. We got altcoin season starting. One of my previous positions that I had, Tezos, pumped huge, after I sold it, but I had 4 trading profit swings in Tezos. Let's see, let's look at Tezos. Tezos was up huge, in the last month. Tezos up 52%. So I sold, I didn't get all of that, but I had 4 trading cycles in Tezos that did great. So focusing again just on one position, Bitcoin. I own MicroStrategy, new holdings. So Bitcoin today, dollar cost average. I'll dollar cost average SPY ETF, even though I flatted out of most of my position. I'll dollar cost average the blockchain ETFs every Monday. So that's my trading plan for today. Wonderful day. Be great, and always remember to trade in the direction of the trend. The trend's your friend. So trying to always stay focused. What I do is say, well, what are the big trends, the consumer trends? So that's what we have for today, everyone. Running about 12 minutes or so. Tell me what you think. Leave some comments down below. Please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Man, having a great time. My channel's getting a lot of traction on Google. Got a lot of new subscribers. Let's take a look at some of the cryptos that are active today. Wow, okay, so there is, let's see, we have Bitcoin is active, obviously, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, the doggy coin, Cardano, Shiba Inu, Avalanche, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash, Pepe the Frog, Stellar Lumen. Stellar's been doing incredible pump. Litecoin, Uniswap, Ethereum Classic, Aave, Tezos, and Compound. These cryptos, and then there's been news recently on Robinhood. I kind of reported on it yesterday. Let's see how Robinhood stock is doing today in the hood. Robinhood Markets, stock symbol HOOD. They added several cryptos. Stocks trading at 34.86. I own shares in Robinhood. They've done well. So that's, they've added some new cryptos too recently to their platform, which is great. So that's what I have for today. Blockchain selling off a little bit. Let's take a look at Bkkt shares. Bkkt. Let's take a look. The stock's very active. Stock has recently experienced elevated volatility. It's up 20%, and so I own some shares in it. Bakkt Holdings, Bkkt, engages in the intersection of crypto assets, loyalty and rewards and payments. It also provides a platform to expand payment offerings, create new revenue streams, and increase customer loyalty. The company was founded in 2018 and is headquartered in Alpharetta, Georgia. The listed name for Bkkt is Bakkt Holdings. So the CEO is Andrew Main. They're based in, headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia, founded in 2018. Stock's up huge today. 52-week range is $5 spot 57 to 68.75, and is breaking out right now as we speak on a breakout because of news of Truth Social and Trump DJT. So let's look at DJT shares. DJT, Trump Media and Technology, is up also. Stock's off fractionally, I think because, if I'm not mistaken, because of Trump Media riding the bull run, its namesake to acquire crypto trading platform. So this is, they're going to purchase the entire company, I guess. Let's read the news headline here. Bkkt is one of the most actively traded U.S. stocks in the pre-market session after FT, Financial Times, reports that Trump Media and Technology Group, DJT, is pursuing the acquisition of the crypto trading platform. The stock more than doubled late in trading on Monday following the news and continues to gain ahead of the open. 2.1 million shares have already changed hands in pre-market, so the stock's pumping. President-elect Donald J. Trump election victory, along with wins for congressional candidates backed by the crypto industry, has been hailed as a catalyst behind the recent surge in Bitcoin and Dogecoin, the doggy coin. Trump Media, the parent company of Truth Social, wow, amazing news story there on Bakkt Holdings. So looking at that news, Trump Media to acquire crypto trading platform. Trump Media stock pops after reports and talks to purchase Bakkt Holdings. So that's exciting news, in the crypto space. The altcoin season is getting started. It started early. It started early last year too. So these are the cryptos, that we're looking at. And then, we got the stock market selling off a bit, but, I own stock shares in Coinbase, Mara Holdings, Core Scientific, Riot Platforms. HUD-8 is doing wonderful. CleanSpark, Galaxy Digital Holdings, Cipher Mining, Bitfarms, Iris Energy. So these shares, let's see how Coinbase is doing today. Stock symbol's COIN, COIN. Let's see. Coinbase is up. Today is pre-market to $328 spot 19. Coinbase is doing incredible. Mara Holdings, stock symbol MARA, up nicely, up pumping the new high today on a breakout, up 5%. Mara's pumping. Okay, I own stock shares in Mara Holdings. Core Scientific, stock symbol CORZ. Stock's off fractionally, as low as about 1.5% this morning. Core Scientific, Riot Platforms, incredible story. Riot Platforms is a Bitcoin mining company engaged in the provision of special cryptocurrency mining computers. So they're based in Castle Rock, Colorado. Incredible news story there for Riot Platforms. HUD-8 operates a Bitcoin miner that focuses on mining. It provides digital asset mining. They're based in Miami, Florida. Market cap, 2.2 billion. I mean, they're HUD-8. I like HUD-8. I might just go, travel to Miami. CleanSpark is doing awesome. Look at that stock. CleanSpark is a Bitcoin mining tech company which engages in the management of data centers. So they're based in Henderson, Nevada. Who else? Coinbase, let's read about them a bit here. Coinbase engages in tech and financial infrastructure products and services that offers crypto-powered technology, including self-custody wallets, decentralized apps and services. Now they're based, their headquarters is in San Francisco, I believe, but they're domiciled in Wilmington, Delaware. So Coinbase, CleanSpark, an incredible company. They're in, again, Henderson, Nevada. So stay with me. Let's see. Cipher Mining. How's Cipher Mining stock doing? Incredible story with Cipher Mining. Cipher Mining operates as a Bitcoin mining ecosystem in the U.S. They're based in New York, New York. Tyler Page there for Cipher Mining. And Iris Energy and Bitfarms. Iris Energy, they're based in Sydney, South Wales. It's in Australasia. They operate institutional grade data centers by renewable energy. So, these are all the stock shares that I own inside of the blockchain ETF, BKCH, plus, Nubank Holdings and all these great crypto stocks. Let's look at SPY ETF. It's selling off a bit today. Companies in there, NVIDIA and Apple Computer, Microsoft and Amazon and Meta Platforms, Alphabet, Tesla, Berkshire Hathaway, Broadcom. These stock shares are all the leaders, and they're all in AI and also in crypto. So, exciting time. Time for a coffee break. Exciting times. So, Bitcoin is pumping this morning. Looks like it wants to catch a bid. 92, the all-time high. It looks like Bitcoin breakout is right there. The all-time high for Bitcoin is, 93,000 or so. So let's see what it's going to do. Looks like it's at its new all-time high here soon enough. So I will do the breakout trade in Bitcoin. And the all-time high looks like about 93,000, if I'm not mistaken. So, here we go again. Bitcoin we could experience what is known as the God candle or the banana candle up, and where Bitcoin could, the last time I saw the God candle banana trade was from 3,500 in Bitcoin all the way up to 70,000. And then the next one was from 21,000 breakout on Bitcoin to 70,000. So that's 3x. So 3 times the breakout price old resistance was at about 74,000. So conservatively, if it does so again, if Mark Twain's right, the history repeating, it could 3x. So that could easily put Bitcoin's price at 250,000 to USD. So that's what we have, everyone. We're looking at Bitcoin, the blockchain, Trump media, True Social, the war in Ukraine, the G20 summit. Run a little longer this morning, but we just wanted to cover all the news stories and geopolitical events. Blockchain is looking great. Look at this. Stocks shares, the ETF shares are breaking out. So my last purchase on Block on a recurring investment was yesterday at 48.03, and now it's at 47.99. So if it trades greater than that price that I just talked about there, if it trades greater than 48.03, then I'll purchase the breakout because I am profitable in the Amplify Transformational Data Sharing ETF. So I want to pay a higher price for it and add to my winners, because markets are never too high to buy, never too low to sell. So with that, exciting times. Let's talk about, all the geopolitical events that are going on. And there's been rumors of, about the Great Reset and how the entire economy is going to a digital asset economy on the blockchain, where things are going on chain. Real estate is going on chain, fine art, non-fungible tokens, NFTs. So exciting times, people, leaders in the field, Michael Saylor with MicroStrategy, that I own stock shares in MicroStrategy. a lot of great industry people that I look at their research and everything, and they've done some incredible work. Coinbase is incredible. So with that, everyone got a lot of news. MicroStrategy announced, they purchased epic amounts of Bitcoin. So that tells me, that stock, let's see at MicroStrategy, see how it's doing today. MSTR, MicroStrategy, that I own stock shares in fair disclosure, is up. It's up. Is that a new high for MicroStrategy at 398.18? Let's see. The all-time high, 52-week high, is 398.44. I mean, it's real close, if anything. So that's a breakout trade. And in the last year, MicroStrategy is up nearly 700%. The last 3 months, MicroStrategy is up about 200%. The last month alone, MicroStrategy is up almost 90%. The last week, MicroStrategy up about 9%. So it's never too high to buy. So I'll add to my position in MicroStrategy if it trades greater than its all-time high or 52-week high of 398.44. So that's what I have for today. Covering the news. I cover geopolitical news first, then socioeconomic news, and then I formulate a trading plan. So this is where, not financial advice, but following the trends and being part of that. How many days until the inauguration? I guess it's in January. How many, let's see, days, days until inauguration. All right, let's see what, it looks like 62 days. So we got 62 days until inauguration, January 20th. So the United States presidential inauguration between 73 and 79 days after the presidential election. The president-elect of the United States is inaugurated as president by taking the presidential oath of office. So it takes place for each new president term, even if the president is continuing in office for the second term. So it's exciting news. So that's what we have today. Everyone be great. Trade in the trend. Let the trend be your friend. Add to your winners. Chase your winners. Pay up for your shares. Let's see, Block. Do I have a high price on Block? Not yet. 47.53 was one purchase, and so now it's 47.89, but I'd like to see Block trade greater than 48.03. So we'll see. Today I might just do an additional breakout trade on Block, BLOK. So I'll run longer today, about 30 minutes or so, but a lot of news to cover, geopolitical news. It's incredible to kind of just cover the news stories and see, what's going on in the world. The Ukraine and Russia and Pennsylvania, news and stock market today. The Dow's off and S&P slide. Russia-Ukraine tensions. So a lot of news there. Pacific cyclone for weather, in California and things that are going on there. So that's all I have really today, everyone. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Have an incredible, great day. Celebrated Thanksgiving early. Have so much to be thankful for. So with that, the trend is your friend. Have a great, wonderful day.